trying to remove a saved location on Life360? Let's clear it up. Open the Life360 app on your device. Now tap Places at the bottom menu. You'll see a list of saved locations. Find the location you want to remove and tap on it. Then look for the Delete Place or Remove option, usually near the bottom. Confirm your action, and just like that, the place will be gone from your list. Deleting a place removes alerts tied to it, so double check if any notifications are attached before removing. If you don't see the place you want to delete, try refreshing the app or updating it. What place are you clearing out today? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.